In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing finances for your business, it's vital to keep an accurate track of all your transactions, including manual deposits. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for this purpose, and by the end of this video, you'll be confidently entering deposits with ease. Let's get started by opening up the QuickBooks website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that provides an overview of your financial status. This is your hub for managing all accounting tasks. Now direct your attention to the top right part of your screen, where you'll notice a button labeled Create. Give that a click. This button is like your assistant for anything new you want to add to your records, be it invoices, receipts, or in our case, bank deposits. By clicking on Bank Deposit, you're signaling to QuickBooks that you're interested in entering a new deposit. This action takes you to a new page specifically dedicated to bank deposits. Here, you'll need to select an account to which the deposit applies. QuickBooks usually lists all the accounts you've connected, like checking or savings. Be sure to choose the correct one where the deposit should appear. This ensures your financial records stay accurate and that each account reflects the proper transactions. Next, turn your attention to the date field. Selecting the right date for your deposit is crucial because it can impact your statements and financial reports. Typically, this will be the date when the deposit was made at the bank. Ensuring that this is correct helps maintain the integrity of your accounting timeline. Another important step involves indicating where any cashback goes to if your deposit includes cashback. This is usually another account, like petty cash or a cash-on-hand account, that will need updating alongside this deposit. Entering this accurately ensures your total amounts reflect reality in QuickBooks and are easily traceable later if you need to review your deposits. After setting where the cashback goes, it's time to fill out all necessary details of the deposit. This could include information such as the source of funds, reference numbers, or any relevant customer or project details. The more descriptive and detailed you are here, the easier it will be to understand your entries when you view them later. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked your information, click Save and New if you have more deposits to enter, or simply Save and Close if you're finished. Clicking Save and New saves your changes and immediately gives you a fresh slate to input another deposit, streamlining the process if you have multiple entries to make. And there you have it. You've successfully manually added a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Regularly keeping your financial entries updated contributes greatly to smooth business operations and helps when working on your monthly or yearly reports. For more QuickBooks tips, make sure to stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your accounts.